In this training video, I will show you about managing your equipment inventory. So here's the page right here. Manage your inventory right here. So right off the bat, what you can see here is these are all the different categories of what you have wherever you have this equipment, on board trucks, in a storage container, at the warehouse. But this is all your different categories. As you can see, this is what you have, and this could be a very long list. And there's your make and models of what you've got, okay? And then these are your statuses. So for example, your power distribution box is available and you have just a total of 1, okay? And then this is where you would want to view the different statuses. So let's change the status, and you want to see how many are available. You would view it, which we're already viewing it. We have 1. You want to see how many have been set. You want to see how many have been loaned out to, let's say, another company. You want to see how many are missing, okay? And then you'll get your answer right there in quantities. And you want to see how many are inoperable, or in other words, broken, okay? So 0 are broken. I always go back to available. That's basically your default. So category of what you've got, your make and model, and your status, and then you would pick your status and then view it. Also, if you had a very long list, you might have thousands of pieces of equipment, and so one way to make this easier is to use these 2 filters. So let's say you just wanted to see you wanted to see a power distribution box. So you type in PO for power distribution box, and that's how that filter would work. You could just quickly get to where you want to go by using that filter. Really, really nice. Okay, so I took that out of there. Another way you could do it is if you wanted to see just some drying equipment, let's say, or let's say the dry airphone Typhoon, let's say. So by brand. Okay, so right off the bat, let me do this again. Okay, dry air Typhoon, just by typing in dry. You could, of course, you could type in all of this if you wanted to, but not necessary. So this is another filter by make and model. Okay, so if you have thousands of items here, you can get to it a lot quicker just by using that filter by typing it in for short. Okay, and then also if you want to show more equipment, you could definitely make the page larger. For demonstration purposes, we just have this equipment in here right now, but this could go on up to 20. Okay, so that's how this works, and of course you could go to an additional page if you needed it. Big companies will need this to go to additional pages. But this is a wonderful tool right here. Manage your inventory. At a glance, you can see what's going on. Where is everything? Where is your inventory? Okay? Is it available? Is it set? Okay? Is it loaned out? Is it missing? Is it inoperable? Okay? Super, super easy on how that works. Just read the category, read the make and model, and then look at the status where you want to view, as I just showed you, which status you want, and then view it. And then your numbers will be here. Okay, so one last description. We know that 1 is available of what? A power distribution box, and the make and model is the CEP 50 amps. Available, 1 of those. It's that easy. Okay, so just practice with it, and you'll definitely master it. To your success, and thank you for watching.